All right, gardeners, welcome back. Second planting of the day, Himalayamix peperomia. Yeah, it's got a weird look to it. It kind of stretches up to the sky, so I'm putting it in a little bit bigger pot. Hopefully put it under a window or close to a window and have that thing just stretch on up. First thing I'm doing is dropping in some of these hydro corns, these little clay pellets. They go down at the bottom, and they'll keep some of the moisture in there and make sure that if we forget to water it, then it's no big deal because it'll still have some moisture down at the bottom. Can't see very well here, but I'm putting some potting soil down at the bottom with that hydrocorn. And then we're going to use this empty pot to create an airspace all the way down to the bottom. And once again, I'm putting the entire pot in there, and I'm just going to fill it around with the potting soil around the outside of that pot. That way I create a perfectly sized hole where my plant will go, and it'll create a lot of airspace down all the way down to the bottom. Now I'm going to pull out this empty pot here, and that'll leave somewhat of a space going all the way down. I mean, there's still going to be filled with dirt, but it's not going to be as compact as the rest of the soil around it. Now I'll just go ahead and clean up my mess because I'm all done, and we're going to set it aside so we can pick all this stuff up. And here it is, the finished product, Himalayamix peperomia. And give it a nice dose of water, H2O, hydrate all the cells inside its body. Thanks for watching. You guys have a wonderful day. Let's learn together.